Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the parts of the muscle fiber. This right here is one muscle fiber, also called myofiber, which is surrounded by the cell membrane, the sarcolemma. So this is the sarcolemma. The muscle fiber is wrapped by the endomysium, which is a connective tissue layer that wraps the entire muscle fiber. This cell right here is the satellite cell of the skeletal muscle, which maintains, remodels, and repair the muscle fiber. Moving to the inside of the muscle fiber, right here, we have the nucleus. The muscle fiber consists of myofibrils. This is one myofibril. That's a myofibril, and this is a myofibril. Each myofibril is wrapped by a network of tubules. These are the sarcoplasmic reticulum tubules. The sarcoplasmic reticulum, it stores and also it delivers the calcium ion, which is needed for muscle contraction. This part is the terminal cisterna of the sarcoplasmic reticulum. This is also the terminal cisterna of the sarcoplasmic reticulum. The invagination of the sarcolemma to the inside of the muscle fiber forms the T-tubules. So this in orange is the T-tubule, also called the transverse tubule. We can see the opening of the T-tubule on the sarcolemma. The T-tubule with the terminal cisterna of the sarcoplasmic reticulum, they form the triad. That's the triad. The myofibril consists of myofilaments. We have the thick myofilaments, which are the myosin, right here. These are the thick myofilaments. And we have the thin myofilaments, which are the actin, right here. The myofibril consists of hundreds of sarcomeres. The sarcomere extends from one Z-disc, this is a Z-disc in pink, to the nearby Z-disc. So this right here is one sarcomere. We can also see the M line through the sarcomere. These are the thick filaments, these are the thin filaments. If we make a cross-section at different levels of the sarcomere, we can see the myofilaments in each part. This right here is a cross-section at the H-zone level, where we see the thick filaments only. These are the thick filaments right here, the myosin. This right here is a cross-section at the I-band level, where we can only see the thin filaments, the actin. This right here is a cross-section at the M-line level, where we can see the thick filaments right here and the accessory proteins that links them together. We can also see the mitochondria that provides ATP for muscle contraction. Moving to this side of the muscle fiber, we can see the axon of the motor neuron right here, which is myelinated. It's covered with this layer. This right here is the motor end plate of this motor neuron. On the side, we can see the synapse between the sarcolemma, which is part of the muscle fiber, and the membrane of the axon terminal in red. The axon terminals, they carry the vesicles, which are in green. These vesicles are rich in neurotransmitters, the acetylcholine neurotransmitter. We can also see the mitochondria, which provides ATP.